Sandhills Community College has a service area of Moore and Hoke counties of North Carolina. Overall headcount is about 11,500 students, and the health sciences and nursing programs are a large part of what we do. Our nursing program had just simply outgrown where we were.
Kennedy was too small for us. We were in rooms that weren't intended for necessarily the purposes that we were using them.
When this facility was designed, LS3P was part of that, so you have architects involved. But really the key, I think, to the design of this building for the students, the nursing instructors, the radiography instructors, the surge tech instructors, they were all involved in the design. And the first thing is, what do you need?
Our goal was to create a space where all of our nursing and health science programs could be in close proximity to one another. By connecting the new build of Foundation Hall with the existing building of Kennedy, that allowed us to bring almost all of our health science programs under essentially one roof. With the rerouting of traffic around this end of campus and the change in the flow of the road, it gave a really beautiful entryway to this building. It sits up on a hill. Use the hill out front so that when you're standing in the parking lot looking up, it has a very beautiful facade.
Everything's kind of focused around the center point, which is a hospital right here with the clinical rooms, as well as the instructors are just beyond that. And then everything kind of branches off of that, which makes it really nice that the clinical setting that we are practicing for and training for is in the middle of the building itself.
I like how it's set up just like a real hospital setting. Each room looks like a hospital room, and they really went all out to, make it like a real life scenario, even to the little glasses they put on the mannequins. So I love that as well.
It is realistic to the point of our students come in, they come into their locker rooms, don on their PPE, and they function as a normal employed surgical technologist would.
The room we're in Foundation Hall right now is sort of a gathering room for students.
We study here a lot in study groups with our friends. We have sim lab here. We have regular lab learning all of the skills. It's a big gathering place.
And it's nice. You look around this room and there's lots of natural light, and that was something we talked about in planning, was that natural light, just to make the surrounding more pleasant.
Just a very pretty environment to learn in.
We get so many people that walk by and they're just amazed at what we're doing, and so it creates that sense of, oh, I'm important in the lab. And then I typically wave to the students. I'm like, you can come on in if you want to.
The mission for Sandhills Community College is to provide the highest quality education for all that we serve. And to do that, we've got to have facilities that are state-of-the-art and able to carry us into the future. And I think that's what Foundation Hall really represents on our campus.